Well, it's been 8 months with the shop here, and we've got pretty good responses from it so far. A lot of questions, a lot of comments, a lot of different things people are wanting to know about it. So I'm going to take this video to give you an 8-month update on what we've done so far, how much we've filled it up, and what we still plan on doing. Now, one of the biggest things that I do want to address with it is the color of it. A lot of people are telling me that, it's dark, it's hot outside. Well, you know what, let me tell you this. It's 39 degrees outside currently, and we do need a jacket to be outside. But the color of the shop has helped out a lot with keeping the temperatures up. And as you can see right here, we're currently at 64.5 degrees. It kind of fluctuates anywhere between 25 to 30 degrees above the outside temperature as soon as we start getting the sun hitting on the area itself. Now on top of that, a lot of people are asking about the color of the shop for other reasons. A big thing is, you can't see it through the woods. That's one of the biggest things that we were looking for. We didn't want to look like a warehouse. We didn't want to look like a Dollar General. There's already way too many of those things anyways. So yeah, I brought you up here to show you exactly how non-visible it is from the road. I'm blocking it a little bit, but as you can see, it blends in pretty well. And I'm going to show you the other side as well so you can see what the doors look like through the trees. So that way you can see that we definitely don't look like a Dollar General or a warehouse sticking out like a sore thumb. You see, when it's just a black wall and roof, it blends in a bit through the woods, but with the big white-faced walls and doors and everything, it would be a bit much in the area that we live in. Okay, as you can see, we're kind of dark and spooky in here, but we got a power line going here to some lights in the ceiling. Let me show you this cool feature that we installed. And actually, that's not a clapper. Let me show you what it is. And really, this is just a Ryobi 80-volt power pack out of one of their lawnmowers with an AC/DC converter that we have running a couple of strings of Harbor Freight lights around the ceiling. And you could probably say that this goes along with the old saying that is, no matter how big your backpack is, you're always going to fill it up. And we're filled up, but it's really just on this side. We had a yard sale, neighborhood yard sale, shortly after the building was built. A lot of stuff got moved out here, used as storage as general, and then this one first bay has just kind of been dedicated to storing stuff and keeping it out of the way of everything in the house. But the other side, we have a bit more shop things going on. I'll show you that. And as you can see, kind of keeping that other bay to storage has opened up these two bays so we could do more of the actual automotive stuff, working with the cars, putting jacks, changing, rotating tires, oil, whatever we need to. And power and air will eventually be running through this entire thing once that's officially ran in the building. So yeah, that's it for our quick update on what we're looking at 8 months later. We're loving it. It's got a good place to store stuff and a nice, good, cozy place to work on stuff out of the elements. We put in a little bit of grass here just to help a little bit with the erosion control, but other than that, that's it. So like, subscribe, let me know if you have any comments or questions. We'll keep answering everything that we can. And we'll see you next time.